Changing your Apple Pay region can be a useful feature if you are traveling or living abroad and want to use Apple Pay with a local card. To do this, you will need to change the region of your Apple ID and your iPhone. First, go to the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Then, tap on Media and Purchases and select View Account. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to authenticate. Once you have accessed your account information, tap on Country, Region and select Change Country or Region. Next, select the country or region you want to change to from the list of available options. Be aware that changing your region may affect the availability of certain features and services, such as access to the App Store or Apple Music. You will also need to agree to the terms and conditions of the new region. After selecting your new region, you will be prompted to enter a valid payment method and billing address for that region. This can be a credit or debit card, or another payment method accepted by Apple. Make sure the billing address matches the address associated with your payment method. Once you have entered your payment method and billing address, tap on Next and then agree to the terms and conditions. Your Apple ID region will now be updated, and you can use Apple Pay with a local card. It is essential to note that changing your Apple Pay region may have implications for your existing Apple subscriptions and services, such as Apple Music or Apple TV+. You may lose access to content or features that are not available in your new region. To use Apple Pay with a local card, go to the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap on the plus sign in the top right corner. Then, select the type of card you want to add and follow the prompts to enter your card information. You may be prompted to verify your card with your bank or card issuer. In conclusion, changing your Apple Pay region can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Make sure you understand the implications of changing your region and have a valid payment method and billing address for your new region. This will allow you to use Apple Pay with a local card and access features and services available in your new region.